All right, honors. This is 5.6, starting with 14. And I like the old cross product when I have proportions. So I've got negative 3 times x minus 1 equal to 4 times x plus 1. When I distribute, I get negative 3x plus 3 equal to 4x plus 4. I'm going to get negative 7 equal to 1. I'm going to divide by negative 7. I get x equal to negative 1/7. And I'm okay with that because x could not be negative 1 and x could not be positive 1. Once again, x can't be 1 or negative 1 in this example. I'm going to get my common denominator, which just so happens to be x plus 1 times x minus 1. And at this point, I'm going to take a assumption that we can find that, and that's fairly obvious in this instance. So I need to compensate for that in the numerator. This denominator is missing that factor of x minus 1. This denominator is missing x plus 1, and that's what we need to multiply the 2 by. And now, since I have the same denominators, I can set the numerators equal to each other. So 3x minus 3 plus 2x plus 2, because I'm distributing, equals 5. So 5x minus 1 equals 5. After I add 1 to both sides and divide by 5, x equals 6/5. Finally, number 16. I need to factor this denominator here as x minus 6 and x minus 2. At this time, I'll go ahead and acknowledge that x cannot be 6 or 2. Once again, the common denominator is on the right side, so I don't need to change that numerator. And this denominator will cause me to multiply by x minus 2. And then when I take a look at this one, I see it's missing that x minus 6. So I get x minus 2 plus x squared minus 6x equal to 4. Looks like I'm going to be stuck with this x squared, so I'm going to get everything on the left side, x squared. I can combine these like terms for negative 5x, and when I subtract 4 on both sides, I'll get minus 6 equals 0. What numbers multiplied to be negative 6 and add to be negative 5? That's going to be negative 6 and positive 1. So I get x equal to 6 and x equals negative 1. And don't rush off yet. Can't be 6. If I put 6 right there, I got 1 over 0. That's a knockout. No sir, no ma'am. But I do like negative 1 as an answer. All done, go Tigers.